Hey students, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to understand some magical tricks for multiplication. If you want to multiply any number by 99, 999, 9999, then there is one trick which we are going to understand today. So let us begin. Okay, here we go. Now multiplication by 9, 99, 999, 9999 and so on. So let us understand with one example. Here your question is 189 multiplied by 99. Now we know that 99 is 100 minus 1. So 189 multiplied by 100 minus 1. This is same thing. Now we know that distributive property. This 189 we will distribute to both of these numbers. So 189 multiplied by 100 minus 189 multiplied by 1. So it will give you 189 minus 189. So what will be your final answer? If you will minus this number, you will get 18711. So this is your final answer. Without any kind of calculation or multiplication, we got this answer. Second question, 345 multiplied by 999. Now again with the same way we will go. 999 is 1000 minus 1. So 345 multiplied by 1000 minus 1. Now this 345 we will distribute to this both numbers. So 345 multiplied by 1000 minus 345 multiplied by 1. So it will give you 345,000 minus 345. So this one how we will minus, let us solve it. 345,000 minus 345. Here it will give you 10. This will be 9. Again this will be 9. This will be 4. So 10 minus 5 will give you 5. 9 minus 4 will give you 5. 9 minus 3 will give you 6. 4 minus 0 will give you 4. Again 4 minus 0, 4. And 3 minus 0, 3. So this answer you got. So your answer is 3,44,655. So with the same pattern you can multiply the numbers. Here if there are 4 9s, then you will be minusing it from 10,000. So as per your digits you have to take this number. So you understood it. It was very easy, isn't it? Now we are going to multiply even numbers by the multiples of 5. Here we go. Multiplication of even numbers by 5, 25, 125 and so on. So 124 multiplied by 5. Now as we know very well that multiplication with 10, 100, 1000 is very easy, right? So what we are going to do, we are going to convert this 5 into 10 so that it will be very easy to multiply with any number. So how we are going to do? See, if you want to make this 5 10, then what you will do? If you want to make this 5 as 10, then you will multiply it with 2. You will multiply it with 2. But you have to divide also with 2. So you divided it with 2, then this number remains same. So here now this 2 we will cut it here. Here we know that 62 into 2. So this 2 and this 2 got cancelled. Now what remain? 62 multiplied by 5 2s are 10. So here you got answer 620. Easy? So whenever 5 is there, what you are going to do? You are going to multiply 2 up and down. Similarly, if you are having 25, now for 25, if you want to convert it into zeros, what you will do? You will multiply it with 4. 25 4s are 100, right? So let us start. Here 84 multiply by 25. Multiply by 4, divide by 4. So this number remains same if we multiply and divide the same. Now this 4 we will cut it here. Here we know that 4 into 21 you will get 84. Multiply 25 into 4, what you will get? 100 divided by 4. So this 4 got cancelled. What is remaining? 21 and 100. So your answer is 2100. Clear? Easy. Now the next one, it's 125. 125 into 8, if you will do, you will get 1000. See, you have to convert it into either 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, like that. So this one, 64 multiplied by 125 into 8 divided by 8. So here we know 8 8s are 64. So this 8 got cut. Now what is remaining? 8 multiply 125 into 8, what you will get? You will get 1000. So your answer is 8000. Okay, clear? Now multiplication of even numbers by 15, 35. These two numbers are only given. Now see what we were doing till now. We were converting it into 10, 100, 1000 like this. But here we know that 15 we cannot convert it into 1000 and all, right? So what we will do? We will just try to figure out one zero out of it. So if you multiply 15 by 2, what you will get? You will get 30. So it will be an easy number to multiply with. So let us see how you will be doing. Again here 36 multiply by 15. Here multiply by 2 and divide by 2. So 36 divided by 2, what you will get? You will get 18. So 18 multiply by 15 2s are 30. So 18 3s are 54 and this 1 0 here. So your final answer is 540. Similarly here 54 multiply by 35, we will multiply it with 2 and divide it with 2. If you divide 54 by 2, you will get 27. So 27 multiplied by 35 2s are 70. So what you will do? You will multiply 27 and 7. Let us multiply it. 27 into 7. 7 7s are 49. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 4 18. So you got 189. So 189 and this 0 as it is. So you got 1890. So it was fun, right? To multiply it with 5, 15, 25, 35 like this. Now we are going to add the number by 99, 999, 9999 like this. Let us see how we will add any number with that. Addition by 9, 99, 999 and so on. Now here is your question. 896 plus 99. Now again here we know that 99 is 100 minus 1. So 896 plus 100 minus 1. Now what we are going to do is we are going to group the number in a different way as associative property. In associative property, what we were doing, we were grouping the numbers, right? So now what we will do, we will group these two numbers together. So 896 plus 100, these two numbers together minus 1 different. So 896 plus 100, it is easy to add. It will give you 996 minus 1. So your answer will be 995. Easy. Now the next one, 734 plus 999. Again we know 999 is 1000 minus 1, right? So 1000 minus 1, what we are going to do, we will group these two numbers together. So 734 plus 1000 minus 1. So what you will get, 1734 you got, minus 1, it will give you 1733. So easy. So this were the tricks to multiply and to add the numbers by 99999 like that. Okay. So now in the next video we are going to do some practice sums. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Have a nice day.